What do you need? Boy, mama, I saw you selfish and go on sometime. I think they're right on the cream, man. On the bottom of the buckle, the scoochie thing I put in the ear. The scoochie, the smoochie. Get it for the scoochie. Like tutti, the fruity. Baby, can you do it? Fine. And I'm not going to cook my dinner yet, you know, so my day went busy all the time. When I get a chance to do nothing from me, eat a banana or something then. That's all me eat. Yes, Berry. Yes, Mama. When I pay you mine, you don't pay mine for me. Me not pay mine for you, you pay mine for me. You want more food now? That's why you come to my room. To get extras, because that's the time you know me, only when you need food. I know, when you get food all the time. So what I'm doing here, if you guys want to buy your cream, 347-469-3874. I'm still busy. Like you said, I'm doing the pineapple. I'm doing the pineapple with the carrot butter and the celebrity white. Because that's what Goody wants, Goody love. Special. My Goody is Goody. So these are already mixed. I just add the pineapple and whatever to it already. And get it ready. Close it back up. A little around the edge. That would be mine. I love it. Oh God, I love this thing so, man. When I finish, I ain't gonna have no skin left. Cause I love it. See? Strong. Nice. Go the husband, they come on. Did I put all the mineral on this, the iron on this one? Left anything on this? Probably. So I don't remember to write it. That would be a problem. Serious problem. It's a regular customer come all the time, like all the time she comes. Oh God, me just done beard, you know, so I watch my face, me just done beard. Just on beard and wash my ear and stuff, you know. But I know I'm not supposed to be creaming now. I have no right, but the thing is, I know I'm gonna go cook my food. I'm hungry now. But I'm just getting this stuff ready. Because she ordered one and then she ordered two because she know how good it is. She just said instead of one, her husband gonna pick up two and she's gonna send a tip for me. Very nice. You can't go wrong with that price, you know, because I make all of them strong. With that price, it's a big jar of green that for $80. A big jar that I'm supposed to put celery white in it. It's supposed to come to like 125. You know what I mean? You can't get your stuff, man. Don't waste time away. I know, I just came out the show and I have no time because the lady called me. For me, it's just drawing anything make you find. I can go to the deliver. I have to go outside and deliver this stuff. Okay. But why are you eating out the naan inside here? Why you have to choose come in here and do that in here? Why you choose have to come in here and do that kind of stuff eating a naan out here? Why? You can't go anywhere else and do it? You can't go anywhere else and do it. Goody, I know. Pick up yourself. Goody, Ingrid Williams. Pick up yourself, mama. I wasn't supposed to be on here again, Ingrid. I know, like I tell you, some demons, I just pop right in. You know, I'm waiting on somebody. I have a little bit of time to waste before I go in the kitchen, so. It's like my wife bought this for my skin before I go to bed, so this not going to waste whatever left in this. It's not going to go to waste, so. Doesn't make a difference, you know. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright, so I have this one ready. We're going to rinse these off with water, put them in a bag. Right? To get them to go outside. More berry. This is for me. White pot. I can't eat me alone. Come cream them myself. Come cream them good. Eat me I don't want. I don't want to eat. Kiss that and eat that. Eat this, baby. Hate this, honey. Hate this, baby. Just hate that if you want my love. Mommy's working. You can hate it if you really want it. You can hate it if you really want it. If you try, 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 try. You can hate it if you really want it. You can hate it if you really want it. You can hate it if you really want it. If you try, try and try, try and try. Succeed at last. Succeed at last. You can get it if you really want it. You can get it if you really want it. You can get it if you really want it. If you try, try and try, by and by. Oh, baby. I don't make your life miserable. I'm also for the bosses so I could get it they care. When they get a young stud, man, I play it fair. Big up yourself, Robert. Thank you for your $25 donation for the wings. Anyone else want to donate like Robert do? Please let us know. Anyone else like Political Robert to try? Or you can try to and donate something to monkeysalad@mail.com. A monkey salad at mail.com and drop a little 10 or 20 or 15 or whatever. Baby love, the man not rich, but the man at least donate something. Give me 25 for a sticky wing. Even though I'm not going to buy no sticky wing, I'm going to eat fish. You know, because I love the sticky wing. I do love them. And I hate when people remind me how sweet they are. Because once I start thinking about them, even though I say I'm not going to get them, Robert knows. Once he mentioned it once or twice, that's a good, he's going to go get them, you know. She's not going to keep listening to this shit. She's going to get up and she's going to tear them wings up. And then she's going to say, the last time I'm going to do this. And then next time I mention it again, she tear them and she said, I don't eat chicken anymore because it's not good for you. You understand? So that's why I'm trying to be good. I know, you know, if I start thinking about that wing, I might reach down there tonight. Because I didn't even cook yet and I'm thinking about it. You know? I could have really got them wings. I should have gone and got them wings. But I didn't want to get them wings. You know, I'm trying to do healthy. But those wings, how sticky and sweet they are, it just remind me how sweet those sticky wings are. Damn you, Rob. Why you do it? Like, why you do it for? Why you tell me to eat sticky wing? I know my belly was sticky. The wing them. Look a nice one, like our friend them get black. Not black yet. I go and black out on the cold spot till it black like a fire cold out a cold scale. Look a nasty evil ones. When I want to come push people and cuss them. My goodies, call me goodies like my God, Olivet. This camera is wicked. I say, why you say that? Every time I go. They say because in real life your face is so tiny and small. Can make you look like you have a big face and a big body and you look just small in real life. But that's how it is. But I don't care. I don't care who wanna say bullfrog face, your bullfrog mama sitting in your fall out. Me no business where you want tell me say me happy and to be into Jesus and no sugar daddy can lead me stray. When sugar daddy see that I'm Chinese mad and he say, oh bitch no way. I try Jesus and I pray to you every day. Cause I know the going is rough and tough, but a man my body won't slay. No, won't do it again. No, don't do it again. Wanna grind me top but me I have friend and don't come back yourself again with me. Oh little lady, caught up in a tree, everybody's choker. Oh, can live this life. Oh, baby, oh, not me. Come on to me and bring the goodness of your heart. Bitch. Why you want to talk, but you know you gotta eat? Why you want to talk, but you know you ain't shit? Why they keep on talking? Oh. My belly hungry, man. I need food. I want the food. I want to cook the food. I can't take the sticky wing now. You know, I could jump on the train. 1, 2, 3, reach at the place and get the sticky wing them. But at what time them close? You think it's right for me to eat sticky wing now, the amount of chemical in them? The amount of sitting in them, you know. I'm going to eye for the whole night. I'm just going to catch up with my fish and my kale. I think it's the right thing. I don't think so. But it's sweet, you know, man. I tell you, them damn things is like drugs. All I hear me, I try to get my mind fit. Stop thinking about it. It's like started sticking me now. Like crazy glue, you know, like go get the wing. Jump on the 2 train, it's right outside your door, it's not far. 1, 2, 3, you're gonna reach at the junction, running BBQ and order them. Not take more 5-10 minutes. You got the wings in your hands. You back on the train, you reach home, and you got the sticky wing. Man, I don't know y'all. I'm sorry if you don't see me coming back for now. Just wait for the wings. I don't want to do it, Robert. I know, but you got me thinking about this. Young boy, you got me thinking about those sweet sticky wing, young boy. I'm telling you. You got me thinking about those sweet sticky wing. And the cornbread is just beautiful. The cornbread is just so sweet. Yo, I love the cornbread from BBQ. Oh, Lord, the cornbread must melt on the cornbread them. Most of the time when I get the cornbread and bring them home, when I wake up the next morning, the whole bed full of cornbread. Because you see, when we carry the cornbread in the bed and we start to bite them, the cornbread them fall on the bed. When you look, the whole sitting and juke up my skin like me lying on a sauna. Pure cornbread. So when me I eat anything like that, I carry a big garbage bag on the bed with me and set it under my mouth. Because you don't want to have a lot of roaches and shit, you know? So I bring the garbage bag if I'm watching a movie and open up right here. So when I bite my food, I eat it over the garbage bag and whatever fell, it fell in it and I could tie it up. You know how the hustling go late at night when the mouth take your mouthpiece start to work that mouth machine. Nobody don't see what you be doing. But most of y'all fat ass to be lying in your bed and eating a lot of crap. Everything from the corner store. Like one of this, one of that, one of everything you don't eat. I don't know that. Back in the days when I went up to almost 300 pounds, that's what happened. One time I was so frustrated. I was eating so much. I mean, I was eating everything at the grocery store. When I was walking, goody, I couldn't carry my own body. I'm tired. I walk down the road, down the sun, I walk. I'm if I come back home, come sit down. I can't make it. Too much weight on the body. And that's the time I get up and say, seriously, this is wrong. And I got up and I start to try to do healthy. And I start jogging a little bit till I can go faster and faster and I burn off back all the fat. Right? So I know how to control. No matter how big you see me I get. No fussy. Because you will see me now and next time you see me trim and look neat. I want to wiggle this. So I kill myself with exercise in 24 hours. No worry yourself. I know what to do. I know how to stop this thing. And I even talk about your pig and your cow. Bitch, let me tell you something, you loose ass crackhead hoe. You used to be living here, call me cow and pig. And I know you say one on there, but you know what? You're a loose crack whore. I know you're loose. You're just a loose one that's lost. You ever seen a lost crackhead? God forgive you, man. You one of those people that just looking for trouble. Lost crackhead. When you're a lost crackhead, you do all kind of shit. You know, trying to stop people from living. But I need my food, though. Either I'm going to make up my mind. When I go to BBQs, I don't like going there. Because you see, when I go there, these bitches be watching me. As I walk in, some of them like, oh my God, that's Olivet. And I go to piece of cloth type of me. I'm hungry. I'm a BBQ. Put my mind on my eye and big on my walk in. I order and everybody start to rush on. But Olivet, yeah. I'm feel that way. I take time and just draw, come back out. I'm going to want to go corner by myself and I wait for the minutes to go and go back in and just collect my bag for the whole excitement and picture and video. Know that my hunger, me eye and big and piece of dirty cloth on my head. You know what I mean? The only thing on my mind is a wing. I don't care how I look. I swear to God, man, I am lying to you. You think I'm going to have the wing on my mind and I'm going to have time to dress up and put on wig, put on makeup and wig and all this, sit there, go pick up the 2 wings. I'm going up, God said, come the way you are. I'm going for those wings. I'm trying to tell him, so listen, I need those wings. I need them fresh. I need them ready. I'm hungry. And you know, my husband used to talk like that. I'm hungry, that piece. Babe Palmer, how are you, Mr. Palmer? When I got married, I told you I wasn't going to change my name to Olivet Palmer. I'm going to stay as Smelly. And it's exactly what I did. Thank God I did not change my name, honey. Thank God I keep my Olivet Smelly because you stole my diamond ring that Jay gave to me and give it to that nasty ass whore that used to come to the prison to see you. Alright? And you moved to Florida and say you get her pregnant. Nigga, you know you got shut up when they cut your stomach open. You came pregnant, not a soul. Not even a rat that can't breathe. But you're gone to the jacket pitney, come out of jail, take up with the girl and left me and come back on my yard, come thief my ring. All in the name of love and phone, me go on a bed and take off my ring off me figure out. But you shouldn't be wearing this when you're married to me. I know that you're a damn thief and prison, but God bless you, crackhead mama. The word I want to bless one of my sister, my hypocrite. Because when I know so the girl not come look for you, and the girl come in your yard. When me so come and come to you, because I still love you, I have to hide and come in your sister yard, tiptoe in the night in a taxi in the rain, if you come take a little piece of my husband and come out of prison. He's a dog. You see all you thief? I am telling you, Blair Palmer, you did a lot of shit. I saw you years ago, man, and I tell you, that was like rocking up my ass the way I run. Because I have no business married in Rikers Island. How the hell you going to get married in Rikers Island? Yo, that was my wedding day. Right in Rikers Island. People, I got to tell you the story of this shit. Don't get married in Rikers Island. No. Them niggas got some stink-ass mouth. They want to say, I do. It's like they ain't giving up. At least you don't give them niggas no toothpaste, man. You know, the other day they're going to get married in prison. Let them use toothpaste before they come out to go. I do. We like, fuck no. Nigga, but just think up in themselves, man, I'm telling you. And you're trying to be good. You're trying to be a nice person. And feel sorry for them after they send them to prison. When I look at the prison time, you can't get no peace. Your phone a ring, this a ring, babes, why you don't answer me? If you don't realize on the job phone a ring like how you put them in prison. Wanna control it from out of prison, like how the prison them like how the police I control them, as them I control you out, yeah. My Lord and goodness gracious, you know what I like me, I tell you. Oh no, I let me rinse off these old whores. I'm coming. And that damn bus be so sour. All you can smell is like rotten saltfish in those prison bus. Everybody's so asleep in the bus till morning to go see their husband and boyfriends. I mean, we shouldn't be going through that shit. If you're not guilty, I understand. But once you found guilty, nigga, you do that shit on your own. Ain't nobody put you up in there want to be Mr. Big Man. I thought you say you ain't afraid of nobody. Now you get locked down, you calling people phone, can they call all these bills like you left money pack up out here. Damn rude. Now we're going to tell like dog tonight. Tell like dog. When I done this song, I could look at phone, I go right in my bed, go sleep. I tell like a dog. Come with the front early this morning, I deliver in and out, they always package them, they make cream, ship out this morning, plus the celebrity white money, they take out some of them. And that's something I make different cream, and people order it, I not have it. I tell like dog, I not lie to you, I tell. I not lie, I truly tell at this point. Am I ready? To pick up? I'm tired like dog, man. Oh God is good. If you're tired of looking money, then you're freaking tired enough, nothing at all. Where's plastic bag there? Plastic bag, drop a bag. I want the bag. I want to reach in this. Earpin in the bag. So buy some more bag, my bag them done. The bag them done, baby. My cream expensive, you know. So good to get a good price because celebrity white is like that much celebrity white in it. So you can imagine it's almost celebrity white itself. See? Very, very good. See it? Creamy and nice. Strong, good. Alright. Husband will come soon. And I want to carry this outside. Yeah. Then go on next time you send them go to prison. The worst thing is, you know, is when you love a man. And Yanma go on good. And all of a sudden you expect him to come home. And we don't hear nothing from him. And next you know he's a phone call from the precinct saying, boy, I don't want you to be able to get locked up with some man and thing, and the Virgin must do something and nothing to do with it. They never tell the truth, you know. They have to tell lie upon Virgin. I mean, Virgin can't cause to get locked up, my youth. Where did they do? You must have do something. How come your Virgin them get locked up and you get locked up? So what you talk about Virgins? Your Virgin them lock up, you lock up about them free. So your Virgin them do something and something mistaken why you lock up and you don't do nothing and them free. You're a damn liar. It's you do something. That's why them free. But they never come to you with it straight. When they don't know, then the prison know they want money for conversary. Remind you, you work hard, you look at money, you know. You have to carry money, go get them for conversary, they might beg you a pair of sneakers. You have to buy the sneakers, probably take out the lace or something. They might beg you candy, all kind of thing what they can get. You have to go all the family that have bought the place and joke this candy like a Halloween night. Like a Halloween for candy, go get them Twizzler. Get them all these punch of candies, different kind of candy with them. And any kind of candy they take. Whatever they accept on a list, they will tell you what they can take. And you have to go and buy them like a slave. You go and buy them, and then you remember, you have to go downtown Brooklyn. When you don't go Rikers Island, go downtown, and then transfer from downtown to Rikers Island. You have to go to Queens. You have to get the bus to Rikers Island and wait all these hours now. For go in, for check, come back down to the other house. All kind of checking when you done the whole till night come down. Sometimes when you done visit a messy baby, your whole body pain you, you're disoriented, you're finished. And you're doing it because you love the person. You hear me? Because you really love them. And at this time you're going through a lot of pressure, you know. But you just have to take it easy, you never cry to them, you just have to do the best you can do. Now mean you're not under pressure. Somebody then call your house, call. Babes, when they may call every minute. They don't want you eat, they don't want you sleep. After all that pressure you have on them, you know. For fine, for them, come money for them conversary. And they can see, then still not understand that for give woman a break and the woman put in a prison. You call the woman a dig down the woman, but at the same time, the brethren them want to meet in a prison. Have some like a Lego beast, dirty girl, chicken head girl them. It's like they can't find man with free, because the man with free don't want them. Because all the man with free go through all of them already. All the man with free go through all of them. So it's like when the man go through all of them with free on road, the man don't want it no more. So what them do now, they will go to the prison and get hooked up to the prisoner because the prisoner are no choice in the free. So we take anything him get. Anybody can come visit him when you not come visit him. And we're glad to get a visit for come on, kind just boring. So there's also chicken head on nobody when them go the man and go through them out and one and no good no more for outer road. They go on to the prison by find a friend to another person in prison, another guy in prison. We have him wife. Him hook her up with a Lego beast girl where him didn't know. She hook up for her friend them. And then sometime the other one if you hook up. So all 3-4 of them now 2-1 that will hook up. Just like a Facebook page and end up to get a visit. Everybody come to come look for them. So all 3-4 Lego beast girl come to look for 4 of them, 5 of them. You see me? And promise them how much you want to be with them when they come out. Because they can't find them on the free. Everybody go through them. Everybody go right through them like here, may I tell you. So nobody now no use for them. So they go to the prison to try and find man. So then go and look for your man who in a prison. And text it for your man. And imagine your man that you're married or your man where you look out for. With all that stress there and call and put money in conversary. For realize, boy, your money and come back out the road and money out of some dirty chicken head girl. Have the money conversary where you give the man. You take the conversary money and send back out the road to chicken head girl. It happened to me. It happened to me, my love. And when we decide so I'm not going to put no more money, me a strip find the man same thing. The man tell the girl how much for me live. Right and Shepherd Avenue, I hear them elastic sitting here. See them elastic sitting here? Then I go for black people, we give you cancer. You know, just about the Lord said to me, say, you know them thing in elastic waist, we give you cancer all of it. Them should have making them for people with all this tight elastic in the waist. Make it to that decent waist where you can buckle. Why you make this tight elastic and elastic so damn tight? So when you put on the freaking thing, then you look worse by your body, how them feel look. Because elastic are tight in your waist and I make you worse on how you look. If you got big, you look worse or 10 times bigger than what it is. I'm telling you, the elastic are cut you what you're right into. What the fuck is this? I don't know. But anyway, like I said to you, you know what I'm saying, man. You know, I tell you the truth, man. When I got to prison now, you got the strip joint. The one me say, what all strip joint me there. When me look at the strip joint phone and ring on the wall. I mean, why man come make an answer? Hi, babes, how you doing? Yeah, I just let me get a call, I love you and so on, you know. Yeah, man, you know, like a little GMA Fox, kind of just like GMA Fox. Exactly. If not clown or that nigga was clown because my GMA Fox are the same thing. That nigga is a goddamn clown. I guess when he went up to that person and clown him ask, because him and GMA Fox put them together, you can't know none of them different from each other. I never seen anything like that in my life. The boy was dangerous and outstanding. You see me before I go to prison? I used to live in a crackhead mama right down pan where place the name pan right close to the McDonald's man. Pan Flatbush there where the McDonald's there Parkside there so. Right there so there's like a park in front of that building right there so me used to live. Damn, it feels so freaking hot, man. It's freaking the freaking rain but it's still have heat, man. I now open my window because I'm afraid of people. But he killed me with the bleaching cream. Bleaching cream make it more hot to go put on, you know. But he just beat you know. Yeah, man. Go on, let's say, when we look at the sitting at the babes, you alright? What are you doing? You mean when we are in a strip club and you're going to expect me to do? A strip? Me not strip, joint a strip, me a strip. You can't ask me what me in a strip club I do. Me a strip. Me I try to get money. I go downtown and go hire one liar for the dirty crutches boy. Eh? And he never big in a body down there, you know. Body never big down there, so I thought banana was a good size. I don't know why I put myself through all that tribulation to go get robbed when we don't do it the day. The bleaching cream will kill me. Love it, man. Hot. Yeah. Hot, man. Shit is good. Taste starts sweating like a hell to put that cream on, boy. You're like, damn, turning white instantly. God damn, it's like it's frying you, man. Yeah, man. You know? You call a damn strip club and say to your woman and say, babes, what you doing? Do man a strip? How do you call? Where could the hell you could have taken the girl, I do? Eh? You call a damn strip joint, my nigga. She's in here stripping. Where do you think a woman go out in a strip club? How much you in a strip? Right? We're in a strip club. Turn up in that church today. I'm not church today, hombre. I'm not church today. God damn it, man. I'm not church today, baby. Go to look like your husband a cheat, I'm not reach yet. It takes so long for reach. What can I cheat crying now? I go to you man, I joke me I make. I go to you. I go to you man, I joke me I make. What I want this man? Yeah. I put on the fan of the AC so I can blow it. I put it on low. I forgot to AC it on low. But anyway, I'm sleeping night in a low. Yeah, because I still sleep in blanket in the summertime. Can you imagine sleeping in blanket in the summer? How hard it is? I don't know why. It's like I'm so freaking lonely or some shit. I like to feel the softness of it. And the pillow, so, you know, I started to spread a lot because the blanket thick and it's soft. I like it. Yeah, yeah. So, you know, it's like you've been in, you know, the club. You're like, babe, what you doing in the club? What you doing? Nigga, I'm trying to get money to see if I could get your ass out. I'm trying to get a lawyer, my nigga. I don't know what you're doing in prison, but I know what I'm doing out here. You know, stop calling somebody asking what they're doing. Babes, I was calling you last time. Girl, I was in the bathroom. Me up on the toilet seat. Yes, I been up on the toilet seat. I couldn't get to the phone number. Babe, I just called you. I called you again. Man, let me tell you something. I can't bother nobody when I'm pressing my youth. Can't not start bothering nobody if you just hang up the phone pound. I'm gonna go on. Just hang up the phone and change the number like I did to you. So you were mad. Because you know I get so fed up with this stuff that these bitches call me to talk about like I'ma broke your leg. I know when the bitch told me my address like we coming, we got your address. I was shocked that nigga didn't read that. Niggas been, yeah, let's get nigga good conversation when niggas like, let me send it out, get some soldiers to beat this bitch. Because he was trying to break my leg before he went to prison. Yeah, he was trying to break my leg before he went to prison, so I feel hurt now. You know, in a way like, you know, more control are still from prison walls, you know. So I'm sending bitches and talk about, I know where you live. Like I said, 91 Shepherd Avenue, bitch. I know exactly where you is. I'm going to come over there and broke. Bitch started arguing with me. That's your man. Where he called me to get what he want, you know what, on the phone, and the bill got to pay, and he said, and now he said, you got to give us some cash to pay the bill because we satisfy your husband. All kind of shit was happening. I was so damn mad at a man, I tell you. That's when I met Jaden time. And you know what I did? I left the answering machine, say, hello, hi baby, baby. That's when he said, yes, yes. And he said, sorry, I'm not here. Leave a message. He started to talk to the phone and feel happy, think I'm answer phone. And it was in the phone line. So, you know, when I moved, it was like that when I left. And I come and leave. Yeah, man, it was like that. I'm telling you. It was like that. Them people not, them strange, man. Is like when I come and say where you live, my youth are like, that's where I live. God damn it. Takes a lot of money to live in a place like that. So God and me, I got to pay the bill. God and God alone. Right, Goody? Say God and God alone. Hi, loved one. I'm fine, thank you, my dear. Yeah. I know it's no rotten bugs over here. Hi. Hi, loved one. How are you? Your wifey. Bless her. Thank you so much. Get home to your wifey now. Straight home. Okay? Nobody stop you, only God. Good. All right. Good. That's my goodie and I love her. No, I head for her no type of way. None. Nice girl. Love her. You know what I mean? I never check the money, the sticky coming on. I'm just goodie already. I know goodie open me up and put extra cash. She done tell me she take $280 cream plus tip. So I go all day, so now I can go cook. I'm gonna make a kale salad and just like 2 slices of the fish alone. It's done. I'm done for the night, last order. I usually stop after 7, but you know, I'm goodie. You know? Oh, somebody cook some messed up smelling. Can't cook. I was smell so in here. Can't cook, man. Food. Onion a bun up her scallion. Can't cook. How can I send that? Smell kind of good when I get closer. How I cook? Does it smell better? Close to mine. Sometimes in life, I gotta fit the ceilings fixed. I gotta fix the ceiling. A part of ceiling there. Thank you, goodie. God bless you. And my tip. Thank you so much. Got it. Oh. Thank you, goodie. God bless you. I love you. I know. That's what I tell my sister when she said come to the shop, come sit down bread here for the day. I can't do my business for look about. My business don't want yet me. My business look about me independent by myself. No, I'm going through that already. I can't go through it no more. So when you go to the thing, right, goodie? Now go like say you put them in a prison, you know. You're going to a whole lot. But the worst part is when you have to go fish kill facility. Man, you have to go downtown by Juniors and catch a bus. And the bus drive all night. Till you pass through some place like a Canada, you go close to Canada for you with fish kill facility near fish kill. You hear? Fish kill. And me I tell you, so me go all the way up the people with tired on the bus. You look so till you hear a bus, you just want to reach. Your whole body peeing up in the seat if you try to sleep or bend over. And the toilet on the bus where everybody use smell stink. Because you know, you know, flush down good. You know, the toilet, and everybody put come on this bus. The driver and so till in time, park up a roadside with some bush there. And everybody gonna sleep in the bus. Alien could have just come and take up the old bus with we and gone, you know, out of nowhere. And then he get up back and he start to drive. That's the time you go and get your baby wipe and wipe up your skin. Some of the women, they sew up on the bus, the old bus smell like old saltfish. But you reach the prison by 12 o'clock. When you reach the prison by 12 and you check and you go in, my dear, once you go in and you finally reach in and the person come on, hold for the prison and then come down. They got this big vendor machine was selling like, you know, they make a lot of money in the prison there. Because when you go and visit the man who used to do the name enough and the body part never big. So me I wonder why man you have so much fun in body part, no banana size no good, you know. But him eat more. I don't understand. So him name a lot. So when you go you have a whole heap of dollar bill. Our machine if you change out the dollar bill and you put in for buy the burger and the chips and so when they come down, it come like Christmas for them. So them can't touch a machine, you know. You have to go and purchase a machine. And they have sitting there called microwave. And microwave is sitting there with microwave or microwave me call it. And you touch a button and it's sitting them the pack, them swell up. You get the prison and you be done quick. By the table, you have to get up and go to your seat or bring more. And you can't bring a whole pan pack them up and put them on the table. And they have the nerve want you to eat that with them. Like, me never tell you go to prison, why is it more prison burger or time machine for? Me never tell you something on you eat. You know, my money I spend, you eat. And they eat till they got full and feel good and them talk. And then Then we have to take them out and try tongue kiss you and they know they're not brush their teeth with no good toothpaste and a mouthwash. Mouth stink and mouth carry. But I mean, you know that when you want tongue kiss all the while. And you know it's bad because sometimes your mouth stink and they still kiss you in a car prison. Then dying feel like a kiss, and no matter how stink your mouth is, they will still kiss you, you know. They just want human contact. Anything they get, they take, you know. They're desperate at this point. They don't smell nothing. I'm telling you, you know I'm telling the truth, man. You know I love you guys, right? So anyway, I know the Robins. And so anyway, you know, when they eat the food, no one eat no, them gonna want to say, all right, babes, we're gonna go come take some picture, you know, and so me love you and so. When I go take the picture, I take them out, take the picture normally, and look sad, you know, like, you know, things are really good with them. Mirror to the wall. You know, those are the pictures they taking. They're making it a peace out. They're making all kind of sign, shotgun sign. You know, I'm the shit, I'm the man. They're showing how big their muscle, they put their muscle. They make since they've been in prison. They want to show what they've been doing in there. You know what I mean? So they like to do the picture like, yeah, that nigga look thick in jail, and son. That nigga look thick in jail, my nigga. That nigga is thick in jail, son. Like, yeah. I swear to you, I'm not lying. As God be my witness. And you're like, are you taking a picture with me? Are you just being a model? Or you're just a star? Maybe you just become famous. I don't know. But, yeah, they post. The most thing is like, when some of them belly's still big, you know, and them still like, because I'm push a little weight in and I want the other person to feel like, say, bitch, you mess with me, I'm going to get you. So they want to act like they're tough, but they don't have the muscles. They're still, you know. That's all they do. So you get inside, you eat all the burgers, and they take the picture and you left and you come home. You don't even get to home going out. You're not the boss. And you think to yourself, man, I can't wait to reach home. You're dying for reach home, think all you know, for your friend, you know. It's like you put your chest up, bother you, you know, a bother you, Lord God. And my nose I run. Yeah, so I just sweat. So it's like a bother you, right? So you say to yourself, say, you can't wait for reach home. When the bus a driver come down now, you reach one big Chinese restaurant. I mean, one big Chinese restaurant. And I mean, no joke. These chicken wings is big as hell. I haven't seen no chicken wing was that big, but they was good. That day, those Chinese food was good, man. When I get hot, you put on the AC, that's what happened. And they're sleeping out all night. So what happened? All the people on the bus now have to go and they go purchase food. Who want food? So these people making a lot of money at the Chinese restaurant spot because that's where all the prison bus stop. And remember, prison bus all the time. They park up, you can go in there and you can get your food. I got some fried rice, some chicken wings and all that. Because if you don't get your food to eat then, by the time you get to Manhattan, and if that bus not coming to Brooklyn, you have to come off of Manhattan. If they're going to other places to drop people and they're going to Manhattan, you have to come off to Manhattan and take a train to Brooklyn. Or sometimes they can transfer you to another bus that coming to Brooklyn. It's an old man in the night over 2 days you travel without beard. From the night you left to go downtown, the whole day at prison, and the same night you're coming back. By the time you reach home at 12, 1 o'clock at night, you just reach back for the last 2 days. You're like, damn, that's a lot of work. And you still have to come home and get up and go to work. Find money for the conversary. Pay money for the collect call them. Find time for collect the time them. Find time for calling chat a lot when in a prison and want all your attention. It's not easy. When you don't do all of that and go and get liars, spend and do everything, and a nigga gonna go and take some of them waste ass bitch that can't find nobody outside because everybody been through them. They hook up to another nigga and get one of them bitches coming there. That's what he did. That's what my husband did. Huh? That's what my husband did. When the girl was a friend, the girl was the friend. The girl was the friend. After the other friend and the other friend and they all hook up. And the girl spoke of the friend of him sister. And the same girl and go further go live with. And the girl breed for the next man and talk about a film pit and he couldn't breed nobody because he get shut up. Because he go on like him big and spread off him and some friend and one guy get in an argument. And he jump in and the guy take a gun and shot him up. So when he get operation he couldn't have kids anymore. So the girl talk about a pit and take him out, come show me. Years ago I'm up on the subway no goodie. I'm up on the subway. Me seem to rot it, me frightened until me nearly dead. The time things wasn't so great with me neither. Me have one apartment and I'm alone live over the apartment. And Fred and alone there and me still wouldn't take him. Goodie, when me see the man, me couldn't believe. I made the man say, oh wow. Well, look what we have here. There is a living God. Ain't you my wife? So me not answer me say, but you my wife. You know? I ain't seen you for many years now, and I just came from Florida, and I just run into you, man. There is a God, man. I'm glad to see you, man. And I was like, well, thank you, you know. So I must try to talk, and I come across me, walk off, going further down the man, walk up and said, come on, you don't hate me that much. Don't tell me I hurt you. I know I did some stuff and I'm wrong, and I want you to forgive me. But I never know you could hate me that much. I'm your husband. Mr. Man, yo, I never want to talk to the man. When the train come now, the train come, I walk and go sit down the train seat. The man do the same shit when he used to do long time. The man left from where him seat and come sit down right beside me about you, my wife. And then he started to call excitement for me like when he used to try to shame me. Y'all people look in the train, this is my wife. Would you believe this is my wife? Because that's the kind of person he is. She don't even want to talk to me. And I say my going for you know what I mean? So I get up from side of where him there and stand up on the train there. I hold on the pole and him kind of sit down and complain in the seat and complain and talk same way. I say when the train stop, me run out of the train and switch and go down the next part of the train. I say when me reach my destination, just before me reach the destination, me come out and change to the next cart. I say when the next time come and step come, me run out. And when me reach, me tell us, God be my witness, me have one shoes. And me take down the shoes because my foot them tough. And when me hit the floor, nobody knows which part me turn. When we reach New Clerk Avenue, not even ghost and sway my foot on. I'm run for the man. If you not see me and come up for the train and follow me. And come which part me live. I mean, I can get rid of him. Because he married to me and put me through all kind of shit. And he don't take me diamond ring. Him don't disrespect me already. You understand? Me come Rockers Island and come look for him. He take him big old fist and knock me in my head. From that, me shouldn't come back and look for him. You know? After me go dress up in a Philly sneakers. Them time Philly did that wear. And me buy Philly sneakers for him, and me buy one for myself too. He want me to dress alike. And me go Rockers Island and go look for the man. And of course, me have boyfriend, you know. Yeah, cause him lock up on me, I live my life. Me young them time. And never know the man I do all them sitting there. And married, me never want to get married to him. But you me live in him house with him mama and him sister, them, they live separate. Everybody look down for me. Grandmother, they love him a lot. And the grandmother, they love me too. So she encouraged me like, go, you know, and make him happy because that's what he want before he get locked up. But me couldn't manage, me do the best me can. Me couldn't manage a young person, especially me going through so much, me trying to be good to people. Me don't want to be bad to people because I want me go through life, but it was too much. The boy take him fist and knock me down on the chair. When he come down with the officer them, like one elevator or something, and when he come down and me sit down and cock up on my mini skirt and my Philly sneakers and sitting and me leg them out of the door, the boy just coming in big and boom with him fist. Next thing me know, me and the chair, everything up on the ground. The police then grab my slamming on the wall. He start to ball out murder, all kind of something, and expand out and I go on crazy. And after me left back out, the people them really have to call me back in. Me can't even as a brainwasher and brainwash them. Tell them say I'm frustrated and all kind of shit. Just let me speak to my wife. Please get her back in here. And if you get me back in there, if you come sit down and talk to the madman. I've went through a lot, boy. I went from Fishkill to downstate to all boat. And when the boy come out of prison, Me know some of the left and gone, you know, go the years and me go Jamaica and go all about because me couldn't take the pressure. Me did about how much years me did with him. Me did something like a 3 or 4 years with him and me never did the rest. Because I was 7.5 years into. Because me done good on town, me strip money, go get a lawyer. And then take him from 25 years because his record was so long. And bring him down to the 7 years for the money when me pay. Now a big fat lawyer where an Italian man I help. You understand? Me go and pay me money. Every night me work at the club, me can't look money for the man. And the man was so wicked and nobody compare can show a bad face. Because you know don't know how wicked and wicked. All the sister too whenever feel well and sick, she know better. Because she know she was dying what she have. She was killing her. She know she was sick and that shit is killing her what she have. But she still decide to make the same girl to come there with you. And you don't know if the girl there with she and know say you're not right. So me have to back the hell off. Because me don't want to end up with no shit we can't cure. You know what I mean? And she was picking up a lot of man and she know that she was positive and she was picking up a lot of man right in front of my face. So no come tell me nothing, no come talk and me know what me I talk about is real. I know what I've been through and how much money me spend and try for the right. And that's why I'm in a deal with a man there. Because the last time I put on Facebook everything I said, amen, and that's not nobody I said, that's my wife and I cheer me on, I love my wife. You know, she my life when she was younger. But I don't know why I follow back on me about my wife to me I get popular. I don't know why back on me I do that. Because last time I signed the divorce paper, I don't know how me still not divorced yet. But if you think I got there and you go and get nothing, so help me God, me ghost nyam you. Me ghost nyam you to kaka. Me ghost nyam you. So anyway, I saw it go, you see. And after years, me go London. And like I tell you guys, I went to London. No joke, I went to London. You hear, child? At the time when me left him and me go Jamaica, me go take one next man. And that never work out with that man. There's somebody change and take the next one. And that one they beat me skin bad. I went to London because I said want to make it up for me. So I went to Heathrow Airport and I went to London and all them thing. And things never work out right. The man never come to airport, come pick me up and then lock me up and take me have drugs for me. But they never find no drugs. So them send me back from Heathrow Airport in London back to America. But when I reach America, I never have nowhere to live. Because I want cottage. I rent this cottage for over 2 years and I can't take out of the hotel. One like a cottage by itself, like one like a house by itself, separate from the big part of the hotel. I eat my rent. And I make a hot plate in there, I plate them and I cook and so on. A long time I cook and yam see when I look a cottage and live in there like a little house. No one about me. Because you can't have like a hot plate and nobody else to rent. So me alone I look a part in the hotel ground like a little house. It was so nice and comfortable. Anything I want, I still go New Britain, go pick up what I want. No New Britain, I still there New Britain. I still left and go Hartford. Go pick up anything I want on Hartford. Okay? I still dance in one club on Hartford to one like a broke down place thing too. So I remember know all them places I know me I talk about. Right? And when I go England, it never work out. So I have to come back. So when I come back now with the aisle boot and I sit in my plan and I sit in my buy a whole per sexy sitting if you go dance to England, forget some English pound and run off and I come back. But them said, no, you're gonna run off. We don't trust you on all this thing is them. Then hold on for me and the man never come pick me up. When I reach back my throat, man. Clock up. When I reach back, I plug out the AC, you know, because I don't want to plug it out now, because I get hot again. It's hot. If I plug it out, so. When I reach back, goody, I start to walk on the street with my suitcase. I have around 4,000 odd US dollar for me. And I want a small suitcase with my clothes, my dancing clothes, and I'm sitting on music at the club, you know. And thing walking down and from Flatbush. I never know where to go. Because I call my cousin and ask her, my first cousin, I'm going to come by she just till tomorrow, I start up myself. And then she said, no, because I be with father. They didn't have some people over there. All kind of excuse. You know, which didn't have room over there, but they never tell me yes. So I walk down and I see one guy, you know, I say, boy, you know what Jamie there? And she said, yes. Then I move down, so I say, all right, then I'm a baby father, the man I'm married to, my mama. So I go and ring the bell, come find her, because she knows to smoke her cancer, but she was a nice lady. And, you know, she had like a problem also, but she was still clean and nice. She was not dirty kind of person. She was a nice, you know, she had her husband and keep her up good. So she wasn't like them dirty crocodile or nothing like that. Right? And so on. And I saw me go there if I go stay. The following morning, the phone ring and I him call and say, my God, He has to be your God. This is my wife. Me not talk about him run from him from the subway, you know. That's the last time I see him since he come out of prison, me I talk. I talk before that. When they are prison, me I talk about now. You know what I mean? And I saw me end up go to him house and stay at the house and the man call and say, babes, whatever me you go through, just make me work it out because me have like less than 3 weeks to come out of prison. And I want to see my wife. You know what you do? You see if you can come and see me tomorrow, I'm more grateful because I don't see you for years now. Years now I don't see you because you just left and gone. But I'm grateful if I could have just see you. If you could have just come look for me. Can you do that? And he beg me. I decide to go see the man. 2 days last time I come and place with him, I decide, you know. I didn't want thing, but I was heartbroken. Because the guy supposed to put me in London. And I was heartbreaking and everything else. And it's like down. I just really need something to get me feel happy. And I end up just plan for it. But since he come back and tell me all the nice things, them no one told me I go to earth for the person I love. You know I go already. End up on the bus go look for him again. Look for him on the bus and he say soon come home and so man. I tell you. When the next week come now, come home now, and so now, you know. The grandmother get some crabs and get some shrimp and him love seafood. And grandmother was wealthy off. She used to live in Starlight City. And she was a wealthy woman and she loved me. God bless her soul. Rip grandma because I love her. She's the one that truly loved me and show me love, that woman. You know what I mean? And she was trying to hold me and him together. She was a good woman. She was a good ass woman. I tell you, she get pregnant even when she was old, now she get pregnant and have a baby, grandma. She was a blessed woman. I know she resting in peace in God. I know she find heaven. She was a good woman, me tell you, American woman. She was American, but she was a good woman. My eyes start full of water. She was a good woman, yo. I mean, she really loved him. And I saw that when. Coming up, me easy to cry. So, I saw me say my heart soft. She was a good woman, right? And she making up all these stuff. But I don't know how good she was at the last part. I don't know if she have nothing to do with it, but I think she was a good woman. Because she would say, baby, I'm going to cook up the stuff, baby. You going to come over and thing, you know. And his uncle going to pick him up and stuff, you know. And I'm telling you, I went and get my hair braided the day before. Nice cornrows, coming up, no hair, pretty, look good. Me have my nails, them done, everything look good, you know. And figure meet the bastard. You know what the man do? The man called the house. I'm so excited. I pick up the phone like, hello, yes, babes. The man was like, let me tell you something, dirty girl. You hear me? You don't let me catch you at my house, or my mother's house. Leave my mother's house. And don't come to the party that my grandma having for me to come home. Because if I catch you over there, you're not going to like what I've done to you, bitch. And the man was moaning and groaning with a woman riding him. And I can hear him having a good time come out of prison. After all that money I spent for life, all them bus feed, and no matter what me did left and gone or whatever me did do, it's because you frustrate me. And I had enough. That never give you the right. See a woman I ride you and make me I listen to you. Like I some blues me I listen to through the phone. And know that I was getting ready to come and see you. You're wicked, man. You're terrible. And the same girl over there, the same girl come over there. When me gone look for your prison and thing, and she go to the closet and take out my clothes them and dress in my clothes and go out all of my shoes. And I come back and say, oh, my things them look so she had this, your sister tell me, oh, my friend I come over and she borrow some of your clothes with her go out. And that was wrong. And you know, I was so hurt and I left my mama house instantly. I find one man that rent one room on the car and I never know so the man a crackhead and the man could have smell money, one Spanish man. You have one cat, the cat think up the whole house because the man take out the litter. When I well want the little room, because like me say, I have money in my suitcase and I just came back from London, from the up and down. And I want to get out. So I rent the little room from the man. Still have my diamond ring, real diamond ring. Jay buy give me too much money. Real diamond. And the first mirror real diamond. And you gonna come now after you done with the dirty girl and they were your business and whatever. Your mama come and ring on me beer. Me say, look to me say, mama, what me do? When me look your eye behind the mama fly inside. Your mama go turn up me and tell her, yes, son, try to get it. And yeah, shoot me down and I try to jump on me. Your mama was, yes, son, try to get it. That's not funny. And you stole my ring and stole all my CDs with my reggaes that I like to listen to. You come at my house, come clear up everything. And talk about you want to take a piece. And me go bathroom for be your teeth missing thing them and gone. After you're done. You're a wicked man. You see? So that's why me not play with prison bud. Because them all nice when they locked up. But they always have some front-kin girl too. Some of the prisoner come look for them. And I suck out them thinking tongue and thinking mouth all about the place. And when they come, they want to jam the same mouth pan. You know what she out there suck with for your throat. I know them love deep throat more than any dumpling or any yam. Come on. When me speak the truth, me not care who vex, you know. If a man is innocent, you run with him to them. But once you're guilty, nigga, you know what you was doing? And you was all bad, run up and down the street. When you got caught and you get shut down, no expect nobody to run up and down back at you. No expect nobody to stop them life like you had the prison time. It's like 8 years you're doing prison before that nigga came out. Because every day I stress for the whole 8 years in your life until he come out. You did 8 years. I want to turn around and disrespect you and left you like that. No. Anyway, I'm going to go in the car. I'm going to look about my food and beer and go to my bed. I'm tired and I'm really tired. Who want Bex? Who want eat? Because the chop on the set for me in now catch me. I just done bed and brush my teeth and sit there, you know. So you can't say me stink because I just done bed. I just done bed and wash all my ear. See that? And tie it up. Just done bed and go to carry sitting for the man. Because I go cook and I say me a bed and I case bed. And then before the man come from me go in the kitchen because I left my food. When I don't cook my food, more my food. I cook my food and put down and left my food open. So when I do everything I cook my food last. So I can't pay attention to my food and near my food. Who want cry? Cry because you know mama never love you no. Cry because you know papa never hold you no. And cry because Satan refuse you no. And cry because Jesus Christ don't want you no. I love my beautiful self. If you want to find fault with me, you are the one here running behind me. You are a slave to me. I never asked you to be a slave to me. I am a slave to God. But if you want to be a slave to me, running behind me and complaining, but you can't get away, continue running and complaining. Continue to take your precious time to be on the internet, beating me down and running behind me. You are just a mad cunt. When I look at you all beating me down and still coming on here, you ain't got no shame. That's how you know I'm better than y'all. That's how I know I'm better than y'all. I'm more important. Because you coming to beat me down, but you can't stop come. I ever feel something mad, I'm not important. What are you doing here killing yourself over me? Why you want to eat my skunt? Why you want to kill yourself over me, love? Darling, why? She this, she that, she this. But you still coming, honey. You still coming. You're still showing up. So who is the sick one? You? Who is the loser? You? Who is the bastard? You? Who is the dumb one? You? While I'm still surviving, selling my rubbings, making how much money in a day, and living my life. I'm going to take 2 big slices of fish on them and fart big and pray to God. Who is the damn fool here? Me or you? Keep running behind me. Because you will never success but succeeds from Mango. That's all you will do. I'm not afraid. I'm bright like a star, like a morning light. God give me the power to shut to know out. Shakalamanda, Shekrailama. Shut to know out. Bright and out of order and forgivable. You see these waste people with waste matters coming through their body? Wipe my nose or something else. The clothes can't do it this time. One my shirt. I still put it back on me, you know. Yeah, so, of course, ma'am, sure. I'm a human being, and I love myself. If you don't love yourself, I can't help you. There's no way I can help you, darling, when God is blessing me. There's no way you can help you, Lord, when I'm clone white. Oh, I'm sorry, darling. Oh, no, honey. Oh, no. How can you call and get your Olivet clone white? 347-469-3874 and you'll be all cloned up. Big up, everyone. I love you. Call for your cream, 347-469-3874 and get your clone Olivet team clone white. I don't care, bitch. You better switch. Latrice, bitch. Whatever. It's a song. When I pick up my body already, because then I big me up. I don't want to insult you and big them up like, so you know, that I'm better off for you. But anyway, big up yourself and so on. I ain't got no time for the waste matters. Waste matter, I flush you down the toilet, honey. Look, and you're gone. Goodbye. I hope you find peace with your life.
and respect your dignity and pride. Respect your humanity and stay a human. Don't be a devil worshiper and a devil. Oh, yes, enough of them say, oh, look at you, you are the devil. I said, no, honey, look in my eyes. They're clear and bright like a morning star. That's because they see the light of God. Look, honey, look good. I am not someone who twit on the twat and a lie through the tongue. Keep running behind me. Keep following me because you're not going to get what you want from me. You're not going to bring me down because you're nobody. You're not going to bring me down because whatever your video and you're getting no views. You're not bringing me down because nobody don't watch you. You're not bringing down my Clone White because it's selling. So whatever you want to do, call 347-469-3874. And ladies and gentlemen, soon in a couple of days, I'll be having the whitening body serum. You can call and get your body of whitening serum. You can pour it in any cream or you can use it like that and you'll be very Olivet smelly. Team Olivet Clone White. I don't care who like and tell the dogs to come and bite. We all selling the robins. We all getting brown. We all getting white. Now we want to be white outside, but a little bit light in the skin outside. But we black of art, of course, and we love each other and we love everyone. The ones that don't love me and who's to everything that there's some nasty Arab that like to skin their nasty body part that's smelling stagnant. You don't come over here and put your body part and send all these nasty pictures, you nasty Arab guys. You need to find Allah. Find Allah. Find Allah. Find Allah. Find Allah. And you must find Allah. And don't send those nasty things to my Facebook and do those things. You have no right. When you see my eyes come out like that, that's because I'm making sure you got the message. The bigger the eyes, the crazier I look, the quicker you get the message or you about to hook up. I tell you this again. You nasty. Once you have good Arab guys, you have bad Arab guys. You have nasty Arab guys, you have good Arab guys. You have bad luck Arab guys. Don't send nasty picture and all this nasty stuff. Go and find Jesus. He was wandering over there all the way in the Middle East. That's where God used to walk. How can you not respect the man's footstep? How can you not respect the Lord, the only God? But you're showing your nasty parts. This big nasty piece of skin. You all have angry. It's so nasty and gross. This big thing like you're going to kill somebody with it. Those kind of things are sledgehammer, honey. Only sledgehammer is that big. Only sledgehammer can those kind of head gonna pound you down. Ask the Lord for forgive you and find some decency among you and among your fellows. Please do. And don't send those crap to my phone. You're useless, nasty ass, low-minded culprit. You don't do shit like that. Don't you ever do it again. I will end this by saying I love you, the good ones. And all the ones that don't love me, bitch, go and find your place. Bitch, you don't belong to on my line. Go and get a life. Go and yam full body and learn to talk like me. And stop spread out in a big old dun hole. And make the Arab man them and show the Arab man them and skin out to yourself and then they send them by me. You know if you use no dun hole, forget them to send them by me. You know how much I want to skin out, forget the Arab man them for done me. On the skin out so much to the Arab man if you come at me and done me and not say on the skin out and it not work. It not work, on the nasty. On the skin out all time with the man them. I want to send the man them over here. And the man them cost me on the same black people post poop and I just go in and clean all y'all out. And then I let you back out again, make you feel happy, and me just lock you up back again forever. Oh yes, whore. You better get the message now. I am a child of God who believe in God. Even though I'm a sinner. And I would not stand here and put up on no nasty slackness. Man, I put up on no big old undercanda, this big old piece of waste human fresh for stingy and stink. On no come in one piece of sweet for play with no nasty self. Go and get alive and find Jesus Christ before it's too late. The world is ending now.